Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare vegetable tahari. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: the main ingredient is the rice. I have taken 1 glass of rice. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes medium size and sliced them, 2 onions medium size and I have finely chopped them. Here 250 grams of green peas, 2 medium sized potatoes cubed. This is little bit of French beans, 1 big carrot and little bit of cauliflower. The spices, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies. This is shah jeera. You can use the normal jeera also. This is bay leaf, that is known as tej patta in Hindi. Here I have taken a cinnamon stick, small cinnamon stick, and 4 cardamoms. Here this is half teaspoon of coriander powder, that is dhania powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, that is jeera powder. This is turmeric powder, little bit of turmeric powder, red chili powder as per your taste. Please remember, we are adding green chili to this recipe, so according to that you will add your red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Salt as per our taste, and we will also be using oil for cooking. Near about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil we'll need to prepare this recipe. Apart from all these things, we are going to use water for cooking. So now let's get started. So here friends, I'm going to make my tahari in a pressure cooker, which will be super quick and easy. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. And the very first step, the oil is already heated. The very first step that we are going to do is we'll fry these veggies. Slightly we'll fry them. So first let's add the carrot in it. You can fry all the vegetables together. The green peas also goes in. You can add the vegetable as per your choice. You can increase or decrease the vegetables also. So we'll fry for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now by the time our vegetables are getting fried, we will take the rice and we'll wash it. You can use basmati rice for this, any kind of rice. And we will wash this. Don't need to soak as we are going to pressure cook it. So just wash it. Now friends, you can see these vegetables are slightly fried, just to take out the rawness of the vegetables. So now I am going to take this out on the plate. I'll take it in a plate. Now friends, I have taken out the fried vegetables in this. So now I'm going to, as you can see there, I have still little bit oil left. So I'll add 2 tablespoons oil more. Now the oil is heated. We'll put it in a medium flame, and we are now going to add these spices. First I will add the bay leaves. Then the cinnamon stick and the cardamoms, and then I'm going to add the shah jeera. Let it it get roasted for some time. Now I will add the onions. Let the onions get cooked. The onions will slightly get cooked in this oil. Our onions are ready now. So I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. And all these dry spices. The coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and the turmeric powder. And now I will mix everything together. We'll add the tomatoes also, so that it becomes nice and soft. As our masala needs little water to get cooked, so the tomatoes will give nice flavor to our masalas also. So we will let this get cooked till our tomatoes become little soggy. Now friends, as you can see, our tomato is cooked and the masala is already prepared and a lovely aroma of the masala is coming out. I'm going to add these fried vegetables into it. I'm going to mix it with the masala and nicely stir it so that all the vegetables get coated with the masala properly. As you can see, our vegetables are also coated with the masala. Now I am going to add the green chilies. Actually, we're supposed to add the green chilies along with the fried vegetables. And now I'm going to add the washed rice. I'm using the small grain rice. You can use the basmati rice or any kind of rice that you want. And now I will fry it with the masala for a minute. Now friends, as you can see, I have sauteed the rice for 2 minutes and masala is well coated. Rice is fried very nicely. So now I am going to add the water. Now the ratio of the water will be, as I have added 1 glass of rice, the same glass, I will add 1 glass of water and another half glass, 1.5 glass of water. I'll mix it. And now the main ingredient, that is the salt. We will add salt as per our taste. As per our taste. After adding the salt, we will close the pressure cooker and on high flame we will cook this for 2 whistles, and the third whistle which I'll put is on a very medium low flame. Okay? Well, 1 whistle, and this will be our second whistle. And now I will reduce the flame and wait for the third whistle. Here goes the third whistle. After the third whistle, I will put off the flame and I will let the cooker settle down a little bit. Now I am going to open the pressure cooker. Be careful. As you can see, it's ready, but it might be slightly sticky. So with a fork, just give it a stir just like this so that the extra air from the rice will escape. And cover it slightly half and leave it for another 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, I'll remove the lid. See, our vegetable tahari is ready. Now we are going to serve it. So here is our vegetable tahari ready. Very easy recipe and it tastes very, very delicious. I've garnished it with little bit coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, and I'm going to serve it with green coriander chutney. You can also have this with your favorite raita. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.